For this DIY, we're going to use two votive candle holders like this, and this little insert, if you wiggle it just a little bit, it pops right out. And we're going to use 2 of these pedestal candle holders. I got, that's Mama in the background going, And we got some jute twine. I got this from the Dollar Tree in the garden section. And then I may use some of this as some decorative kind of farmhouse looking trim. I either got this from Walmart or Michael's, and the price on here says $4.99, so it must have been Michael's and I got it with the coupon because I wouldn't have paid $4.99, but anyway. And I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum flat protective enamel. You could use chalk paint or craft paint, whatever color you want to do it in. I just have this on hand and I want to use up this can, so it don't be enough to finish this. So, and of course I'm going to use my scissors, but anyway, my house is Farmhouse. We're kind of trying to be Farmhouse, so I'm going to spray paint these white. The little insert, oh, see, if you wiggle it, you have to wiggle it and it comes right out. But anyway, I'm going to spray these white, and the base is white. If your house is a little more modern or glam, you could just spray paint this silver to match, and then put some bling on it, some diamond wrap, you know, whatever matches your decor. But or a beach, you could do, if you spray paint this white like I'm going to do, and then just change the decor on it. If you put some shells or some blue, you know, just jazz it up to match your house. But anyway, I'm going to do it Farmhouse, so I'm going to run outside. It's 100 degrees outside. It is bloody hot, so I'm going out and spray paint these. They'll be dry in a second, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my candlesticks and my little inserts all painted, so it's really, and I'm kind of impatient, so I don't know if it's really all the way dry, but it's good enough. We can work with it. So we're just going to put a bead of E6000 around the edge. And then I am going to put some hot glue on here also, just to hold it, so I can go ahead and kind of embellish it a little bit. So then we're just going to take it and center it just like that. There we go, and our little insert in. Okay, and we're just going to let that dry for a minute. And you have just a few seconds, you can get it centered. Okay, so we got that one done. Then we'll do the next one. And then just a little hot glue. The hot glue is probably overkill, but it doesn't hurt.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. Okay, so then you just want to center it.
That's pretty.
Yeah. Centered. And that's Nana burping from all the cola she drinks.
Yep.
I gave her a glass of water and she told me, this doesn't taste right. And then you just kind of pop that down on there. Yep. Now, you can decide whether you want to put your embellishment on the top up here or around the bottom. I mean, it's just whatever look you're going for. Let me see if I can get my... They also have some little square glass containers at the Dollar Tree, which would be cute on here if you turn this upside down and put the square part on the bottom down here. That would be really cute and a really different look.
Yeah.
So that would be cute.
That would be good.
Yeah, wouldn't it be cute, Mommy? Okay, so I don't know if I want to put this up here. No, I think I want to do it. Where do I want to do it, y'all? Okay, I'm gonna leave these dry for a second, and then we're gonna come back and we'll decide what kind of embellishment. Okay, y'all, I decided that I wanted something really simple on here, so I'm just gonna take some twine, and if you'll notice on your candlestick, right here, there's a little lip. I'm just gonna wrap it around here 3 or 4 times and just tie a really simple bow. I'm gonna try not to glue it or anything. That way, if I want to change it, like for Christmas, if I want to change this out and put some red or green, it'll be easier to do. Or do I want to wrap it right there? No, I want to do it on the lip. Okay, so I'm gonna do it right here. This would be cute if you did some of that brown nautical rope around here. You could put some lace on here, which I had some lace, but I didn't really, I don't know, I didn't like how it was looking. I'm trying to stay under that lip, but you might need a little drop of hot glue to keep it from, you know what, I'm gonna take my ribbon, my string, and I'm gonna double up, like I got 4 strands, and then I'm just gonna twist it a little bit, if you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just twisting it like this. That way it's more of like a rope and it'll stay on that lip better, I think. So I twisted it up. Now I'm just going to put it around that lip, and I'm just going to tie it in a little bow, which, let me see if I can turn it to the side so you can maybe see what I'm doing a little bit. I'm just making a bow. I'm just tying a regular old bow. I'm just going to tighten up my loops. I'm just going to cut them off. So, there we have it. That's my Farmhouse candle holder. Now you could put the votive candle in here. You could put one a little taller, or you could use this as a flower vase. So I'm going to go ahead and put a candle in this one, finish up the other one, and I'm going to show you how you could style it as a vase or as a candle holder. Okay, so here I have them. One styled as a vase and one as a candle holder. So don't look at my flower arranging because I'm not that good at it. But anyway, then these roses are from my rose bush outside. But anyway, that's 2 ways you could use it. This would be lovely on a buffet table with flowers in both of them. The candle in the middle, or 2 candles with flowers in the middle. But anyway, that's my DIY for today. It's quick and easy. I hope you liked it, and just remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and craft something, y'all, and have a great day. Bye.